For the winner, I have to go with contestant number. Welcome to Mama Joan house where it's hot, and when I said hot, I mean Scotch bonnet pepper hot. Today guys, I'm gonna do a little video for you guys. Me and my grandkids then we're gonna make some gingerbread house for you guys today. For the gingerbread house today that I'm gonna make with my grandkids, I have Cyan, Lily, Papa, Mason, Kimaya, Kimore. So I have all of them doing the gingerbread house today, and I want you to comment below which gingerbread house is the best gingerbread house. So it's like a contest between the grandkids them, okay? So you see here we have some giant gingerbread houses here. So for this competition we want to see who can make it the best with this giant gingerbread house. I know my grandkids them is competitive, and we will see how it go between all of them. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my grandkids them is very competitive, okay? And winner, we get a chicken dinner. So when them come in, we're not gonna see have lots of stuff to see how them are gonna deal with this thing, because you know Mama Joan kitchen hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper, and them are gonna want something to eat.
Winner, here we go. These are the ones who's gonna win the chicken dinner. So go ahead, Mama Joan, introduce your grandpit them, because I don't know why they're so enough.
Okay guys, on the end there, I have...
She don't remember this one. This one is Kira. Contestant number 1. This one is Kira. No, she forgot about her. Next one, please.
I'm gonna enjoy that down.
That's fine.
Okay, guys. Right now, I'm gonna let the contestant them introduce themselves.
Yeah, because we don't wanna forget nobody.
Okay. So on
who we
the
got
far
here?
end there,
I'm shy.
She's shy. That's Kira, and we got. There we go, and then we have.
Cyan, aka Cyan. Wait, no. Every Cyan, aka Cyan.
And we have over here.
Jalen,
aka Papa, the real Papa Chulo. And we have here the sweet one. What's your name?
Timor.
And we have behind her.
Jada, wait, you already know.
Okay, and we have. Well, who's this one?
okay, this here we have Kimaya.
Okay.
She's a bit shy, so I can introduce her. I won't forget her name. This is
Of course,
Kimaya.
because she's one of the favorite. And who we have here? don't start. Who we have here? Come on, what's your name? There you go. And we have here the track star, the runner like a track star. Usain Bolt in the making. Who we got here looking at us?
Malia.
All right, guys. So, Mama Joan, tell them what does the winner get?
Okay, guys, here are you guys get for the winner. Winner, get a chicken dinner. If you don't want a chicken dinner, or get whatever you want. So upstairs, I'm joking.
Okay. I'm gonna show you guys the houses too, so you guys can see. So listen, guys, you guys have to decorate. These ones are the bigger ones. These ones you guys have to put together. There is no time limit. Whoever's house literally looks the best, so they are going to decide down below whose house is the best. You guys are gonna be able to see the comments yourself, and then you get to win your grand prize. Who do you think is gonna be the loser? Put your hand up. Who's gonna be the winner? Put your hand up.
Us.
Okay. Alright guys, let's go. Let's do this. I think this is the winner right here. This is the winner right here. For sure. I know. Yeah, she's ready. She's winning. This looks like it's gonna be intensity. We have the winner right here already. Everybody has their house. Whoa! Tato, what are you doing there? That looks good, Tato! Okay, what is it? Ooh, this is the winning team right here. What did the winning team have to say to the rest of the losers?
Nothing at all.
Okay. What did the winning team over here have to say to the rest of the losers?
We busy working.
Oh! Okay, what did the winning team over here have to say to the rest of the losers?
You guys have fun.
That's how okay. What you got? Okay, what you got there, Tato? Ooh!
I won.
This is yours? Is that yours, Tato? Okay. Let me see yours. Oh, that's a nice green tree. Okay. Winner right here. What do you guys say to the losers, winner? What do you have to say to them?
I'll beat you.
Put some on the eye there for him.
You know what you can do for me?
Put some on the eye there. Is that yours, Tato? Oh, what are you gonna tell the losers what you want to tell them? Oh, okay. That one looks good. Okay, Kimore. Yes, Kimore. Why? Kimore. Why? What's this one? What's this one?
Can you drop
What's on it? Oh my God!
in the line?
Guys, we're having some type of confusion here with this team right here. This team is having some type of confusion. You want the red one? Alright, we have a running team right here. This is the team captain. Yeah, team captain right here. These guys are working good together. Okay, kid, I love camera too much. Okay, Kimora, she is doing her own thing. That look good, but she's decorating all of the gingerbread there. That looking good. That's looking good. This team right here looking like they finally getting it together. Okay, this is the urban team and the Papa team over here looking like they get together. Winners, what do you guys have to say for the losers?
Sucks to suck.
Oh, you guys heard that? This winning team over here said it sucks to suck. He's trying to say you guys all suck.
Yeah, he's a loser.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. All right, guys, we have come a long way. So this is the winning team right here. Look at this.
We built a village.
They built a village right here.
And we have our man that
And
lives in
where's
our
the,
village.
there's the village man there. Okay.
Yep.
Let's see what's going on over here. This is the real winner right here, Kimo. Let me see what you got, Kimo. Oh my God, that's very nice.
Gingerbread. Gingerbread kids.
And that is so nice, Kimura. High five. Good job. Okay. Oh, hey, how you doing?
This was a high five me.
Oh, okay. Good job. This is nice too. This is their house, guys.
High five my teammate.
Okay, high five your teammate. High five. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's see what got going over here. Okay. This is the real winning squad right here. Who we got here? We got Debbie. We got the Lily. Oh, okay, Lily. What you got here, Lily? Oh my God, you guys are decorating the decoration out of that. You gotta put deck in the ration. Hey!
I don't want you to come over here and say that we're the real winning team. They're going out to everybody talking about something.
No, when we got Urban side in the building with Papa, that's looking good. That's looking good. Okay. Where is the team for this house over here? Please come over here, team for this house here. Okay, here we go. Team, okay, we're gonna name you guys. You guys are gonna be team number 1. All right.
Okay.
Team number 1, house with a village and a man. I don't know. This is called creativity. So, house number 2, team number 2. This is looking good. How are you guys feeling? And you guys are building trees.
We're feeling good.
Oh, there we go. We are feeling good. This house looks like it's in the contestants right now for being last place. And I'm liking it. No. First. Why are you laughing? First place. That came out by accident. First place. Okay, May, you built your village and you're over here helping out people.
Yeah, because we believe in teamwork over here.
Okay, this is looking good. Now, who is the team for this house here? Where is the team for this house?
I'm right here.
And the contestant is over there.
I'm right here.
This is good. Looking really good. Okay, guys. When I talk about creativity, it is working over here at a next level. This is urban size house right here. This is some wild stuff over here. Oh my goodness gracious.
Time is going. These guys only have 10 more minutes to left to finish up these gingerbread houses. 10 more minutes and that's it.
10 more minutes and that's it. After that, time has elapsed.
Time's up. Hands up in the air. That's it. Finish. Okay, guys. Now we come to the end of the gingerbread making. So we're gonna judge to see who is the winner. Guys, remember, winner, get a chicken dinner, a stew peas dinner, a curry goat dinner. Them just get a dinner. Alright, so there we go. So contestant number 1, Kira and Machine Gun Meme and Tedo. Contestant number 2, Jaylin and Cyan, Sai KK Sai. Contestant number 3, Kimaya and Lily. Okay. Contestant number 4, Jeja, and our partner was just disqualified. Okay, so now we have to choose a winner. For the winner, I have to go with contestant number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Contestant number 3 coming from this side. 1, 2, 3.
There's only one contestant.
Number 3. So she's still coming from that side. So coming from this side. Lily and Malia, they are the winner.
Wait, what? Wait a minute. Lily and Malia.
Okay. 3 from coming from the other side. Okay. We choose a winner. So now guys, just comment down below what you think about this video here, and I want you guys to like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification bell of mine. Okay guys, we're out.
Alright guys, last thing too, you guys need to comment down below on the houses.
Yeah.
Which house you guys think is the best house? Number 1, Machine Gun Meme, so that you guys know who the houses is. Number 2, alright, Urban Sai and Jaden aka Papa. Number 3,
Which is the winner?
No, I don't even know number 3. Number 3, we're gonna leave them unknown because we don't want a number 3, don't know nobody. Why you looking like that? Number 3, you're number 3? Okay, fine. Tell them who you are. Tell them.
Tell the name, Lily.
Come.
Now she's shy again.
Mate.
She's shy again. End of the video. She's shy.
Okay, come. Tell them who you are, number 3, because they said that I think you guys are gonna be the winner. So tell them who you are.
Malia.
Okay. Jada, here you are here, Jada. You're definitely the first loser.
Boo kitty meow meow.
Boo kitty meow meow. This right here is the first loser. Alrighty, guys. Guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on that post notifications. You already know this kitchen is hot like a Scotch bonnet.